Thank you for joining us for another adventure with the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling, and no Gino Franti this week, but you do have me giving you your daily real estate market updates and financial market updates of what's happening. And today, extra, read all about it. Renters. It's about to get worse. You think it's bad now with how high appreciation levels are hitting for renters? Well, it's going to get worse. This Harvard study, the guys are pretty smart guys, have put together a study and said rents are only going to continue to increase. Duh, we all knew that. So what does that mean? Well, we've shown you this chart before. I'm going to show it to you again, but it's pretty astronomical how much these rents are going up, and I think they're going to continue. Look at this chart. All right, this is the median asking rent since 1988. As you can see, rents have been skyrocketing. We had a few plateaus here and there depending on the economy, but right now, rents are skyrocketing. So you need to take action. Please look into buying a home. You don't have to have 20% down. You don't have to have a 720 FICO score. Believe it or not, we can get you in with as little as $0 down if you're a vet. We love helping our vets. Thank you very much for your service. And you can also get in as low as 3.5% on an FHA loan, and you can get a gift from a family member to do that. FICO's as low as 600 approximately, very flexible ratios, income ratios. So please look into see what your options are. You get a tax deduction in most cases for your property taxes, tax deduction for the interest paid, plus you get the beautiful appreciation. There's no way to build better net worth than owning a home. In fact, those who own a home have a net worth 36 times greater than someone who is renting. So you need to take action. Wait, it's not just Don and Gino telling you. Here's a few more smart people that say it's time to take action. All right, we'll just start off with CNBC. Renters, get ready to take it on the chin. Bloomberg says the rent crisis is about to get a lot worse. Wall Street Journal, renters will continue to struggle for the next decade. Fortune magazine, why the renting crisis could be getting a lot worse. Business Insider, soaring rents are a problem that will only get worse, and high rents are here to stay from the real deal. So basically, everybody agrees rents are going to continue to skyrocket. It's time to look into your options, and there's nothing like home ownership. So reach out to a mortgage professional. Be careful just calling those online brokers because you're never going to get the same person. They're not accountable to you. They're actually just answering the phone. So go to a real mortgage professional who's got a lot of experience, going to show you the true cost and the true advantages of owning a home. And definitely work through a real estate professional. They're there to help you and find your dream home. You heard it right here on the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling, and not Gino Franti yet, but he'll be back next week. Make sure you get these on your phone daily by texting NREC, that's NREC, to the number 58885. Or go to nrecafe.com to find out more, or subscribe, and you get these through your email. That way you're in the know every day about what's happening with the real estate and financial markets daily. Thanks for tuning in.